Hi everyone, welcome to Lab 8, and in this video I will briefly discuss your second to last lab assignment, which gives you the opportunity to work on a review paper. What's nice about doing a literature review is it allows you to summarize what we know about the field for a particular topic, while also evaluating that information. And so what we want you to do in this assignment is to take the first steps that will allow you to write this paper, such that you decide on a topic that hopefully you find interesting enough to write about, say 250 to 5,000 words. Then we're going to ask you to do a little bit of background research, pull up at least 3 sources, either from popular press or from open access articles. We're going to ask you to make an outline. And lastly, we're going to ask you to take that information you get from your outline and go ahead and write up your introduction. So going over that information in a bit more detail, I do want to highlight that if you are new to the realm of writing literature reviews, we highly recommend that you check out this link here at Purdue OWL, which will sort of give you some insight on what's the motivation for doing this in the first place, as well as some information on how you should structure your paper. Going back to the assignment, however, very first step is making sure you choose some topic that you're hopefully passionate enough to be able to continue on with this assignment with. Hopefully it's something that you find interesting. In thinking about your topic and thinking about where you're going to get your information from for those sources, the thing we want to make sure you're doing is that you're grabbing sources that are from popular press or open access journals. If you are looking at things from popular press, we want to make sure that you're choosing sources that are credible. You can actually check out this media bias chart as a way of sort of determining the credibility when it comes to these different news outlets. Once you have decided on what your topic is going to be and you've decided that this is something that you're interested in, you'll go ahead and begin doing some of your background research. We're going to ask you to find at least 3 sources for your paper. Once you find those sources and you're reading through the information, you decide this is something that'll be useful for your lit review, we're going to ask you to go ahead and make an annotated bibliography like you've done before in previous labs. Then what you'll do is go ahead and make an outline for this final paper. You want to make sure you get sort of all the major points that are going to be occurring in your review paper. And if you're curious as to some inspiration for how you may want to structure your outline, we actually have a link here to show you some general ideas of things that you may want to include when you're writing things out this way. Going back, last step, once you have your outline, is go ahead and convert what you have from that outline, as well as what you have from the annotated bibliography, into a proper introduction section, like you've done in previous labs as well. So yeah, that's all I've got for you in this video. Hopefully we're feeling confident that we're at the home stretch for this course, and that this will turn into some interesting opportunity for you guys to write about something that you're interested in when it comes to psychology. That's all I've got for you now, so good luck and have fun.